Every step I take feels heavy with your goals. In the quiet nights I find myself lost, but in the raindrops I know you're near, whispering softly, calming my fears. Through the clouds I see your face, a glimpse of heaven, a warm embrace. So let the heavens rain down your love, fill in the holes with the strength from above. Through pain and sorrow we'll carry on. You're in my heart, forever strong. The memories flood in like the storms that roll. I still feel the love deep down in my soul. You taught me strength to brave the fight. With every tear that falls, I see your light. Each drop is a sign that you're still around. And every heartbeat, your love is found. So let the heavens rain down your love, fill in the holes with the strength from above. Through pain and sorrow we'll carry on. You're in my heart, forever strong. I'll hold you close until my time is done, and every raindrop I know you